Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to today's diagnostics presentation, focusing on DTC P0128, which indicates a cooling system malfunction in the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. This specific error code points to issues regarding the thermostat and engine coolant temperature sensors. The thermostat controls the flow of engine coolant, affecting how quickly the engine reaches optimal operating temperature. When the thermostat is stuck open, it leads to delayed engine warm-up and increased exhaust emissions. It's essential to understand that the engine type affected is K24W1, and the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, monitors coolant temperatures to assess the thermostat's functionality. Diagnosing this issue accurately is vital to ensuring efficient engine performance and compliance with emission regulations. DTC P0128 signifies a malfunction within the cooling system, specifically related to the thermostat's operation. The thermostat remains closed when engine coolant temperature is low, preventing coolant circulation. Once the coolant temperature rises, it opens to regulate cooling effectively. If it sticks open, the vehicle experiences prolonged warm-up times and heightened exhaust emissions. The PCM, located in the engine compartment, employs engine coolant temperature (ECT) sensors at both the engine block and the radiator to continuously monitor temperatures. Understanding the PCM's role is vital, as it utilizes these readings for further calculations regarding coolant dynamics based on driving conditions, thereby directly impacting engine performance and emissions control. There are several potential causes for DTC P0128, making thorough diagnostics crucial. First among these is thermostat failure, which occurs if the component sticks open, hindering coolant circulation. Next, the engine coolant temperature (ECT) sensor can fail, either providing incorrect readings or malfunctioning entirely, leading to erroneous PCM calculations. The intake air temperature (IAT) sensor can also be at fault, as it plays a critical role in determining how much air is entering the engine. Issues may also arise from the manifold absolute pressure (MAP) sensor or the crankshaft position (CKP) sensor, both of which impact performance. Last but not least, a barometric pressure sensor failure could affect overall engine function, emphasizing the need for comprehensive diagnostic tests to pinpoint the root of the problem. When diagnosing DTC P0128, you may observe several key symptoms indicating an underlying issue. One primary symptom is poor engine warm-up, as the thermostat's failure to close appropriately prolongs the time it takes for the engine to reach optimal operating temperature. This inefficiency can also lead to increased emissions, compromising environmental standards and potentially triggering emission-related alerts. Engine performance issues are also common, with the vehicle experiencing rough idling or difficulty maintaining speed. Drivers may note fluctuating temperature gauges, providing visual clues that something is amiss with the engine's cooling system. The combination of these symptoms suggests the thermostat, ECT sensor, or related components are not functioning correctly. In the first step of troubleshooting DTC P0128, begin by starting the engine under specified enable conditions. Effective monitoring requires the engine off time to be at least 6 hours, along with an intake air temperature that falls within the operational range outlined in the diagnostic data. After confirming these conditions, drive the vehicle at speeds between 15 and 75 miles per hour for no less than 30 minutes. As this allows the PCM to assess whether normal coolant temperatures are being reached. It's crucial that ambient conditions permit such driving to ensure reliable readings. Following this procedure helps determine if the issue persists for misdiagnosis or if it will resolve through normal operations. In the second troubleshooting step for DTC P0128, utilizing the Honda diagnostic system is key to checking for any potential diagnostic trouble codes that may illuminate further issues with the cooling system. Confirm that the conditions outlined for effective monitoring have been satisfied. This confirmation procedure aids in verifying whether the PCM has properly registered the engine's temperatures, and that no other active DTCs exist that could influence performance. Addressing any accompanying faults is vital, as the presence of multiple DTCs may skew diagnostic results. Understanding how to utilize the diagnostics effectively ensures that every angle of the engine's cooling system is assessed appropriately. Final repair verification for DTC P0128 involves a series of critical checks to ensure effective rectification of the problem. First, check for any recurrence of the diagnostic trouble code after addressing the initial issue, as this allows you to confirm that the repairs made have resolved the malfunction. Next, ensure that the entire cooling system functions properly, which includes thorough inspections and verifying that the thermostat, sensors, and PCM are all working within their designated operational parameters. After these checks, performing a road test is highly recommended, mimicking the same driving conditions as before to evaluate if the vehicle maintains its operational efficiency. Completing this final verification ensures both the driver's safety and the vehicle's performance. Engaging in preventive maintenance can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering DTC P0128 and similar issues in the future. Firstly, regularly checking the engine coolant levels is crucial, as low coolant can affect the thermostat's ability to function correctly. Secondly, periodically inspecting the thermostat's operation ensures that it is not stuck in a closed or open position, enabling prompt repair before symptoms escalate. Additionally, monitoring overall engine performance can help identify discrepancies that may lead to larger issues down the line. Keeping an eye on temperatures and unusual operating conditions provides insights, allowing proactive actions and ensuring the reliability of your Honda Accord. In conclusion, addressing DTC P0128 requires a comprehensive understanding of the cooling system, specifically the role of the thermostat and ECT sensors. Recognizing that the thermostat regulates coolant temperature directly impacts engine efficiency and emission levels. Thorough monitoring of ECT sensor readings must occur to ensure accurate assessments by the PCM, leading to effective troubleshooting solutions. Following detailed diagnostic steps is crucial in accurately identifying the root cause. Lastly, performing preventive maintenance can prolong vehicle longevity and enhance performance. By applying these principles, you can ensure that the Honda Accord operates at peak efficiency. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.